people have been asking me about how do you put the buttons inside the controller, the trigger stoppers. What you do is there's there's one here, one in the middle, one on the side, and one right there. Then all you do is there's 2 screws on each side. All you gotta screw them off. One right there and one right there. I think it's a T. It might be a T5. I'm not pretty sure, but I get back to you on that one. Hi guys again. Yeah, for the, I'm gonna zoom it up in a little bit. There we go. This is right here, the T. I'm gonna use this. Where are we at? Yeah, T7 right there, and the T7 right there. Pictures be in the description. Alright? Have a good day. Peace, guys.